Good morning, guys. I just want to give you a quick run through of the instructions and the ideas for the formative writing task 2 for nickel and dimed about unions. So I'm going to go ahead and read the prompt, which is right here. Using the reading from last week and the arguments for and against unions that you wrote, answer the following question in a paragraph. Do you think that forming a union would help Ehrenreich and her coworkers? Why or why not? Include evidence from the text. All right, so I'm going to go through what exactly I want that to look like, or what the text proof could be. So be sure to write at least one solid paragraph. Be sure to use text proof from any of the texts we read last week on unions. So we watched much of it was videos. You can paraphrase from the video. If you reference the video by name, that will be sufficient as a citation for this assignment, since we are using YouTube videos mainly as our source. All right. I am live currently, and it is Thursday, but I just want to make sure that you guys are good because I haven't seen you. So, if you need help and it's Friday, that's fine. Go ahead and message me in the app, email me, or call me. All right. And 4, you can use the optional idea organizer below or write your own paragraph below that. So if you wanted to, you could just delete this whole organizer right here and not use it. I think it probably helps you if you do use it. So essentially, if you can talk about how unions help workers, all right, if you can talk about how unions help workers here and help them, like what I mean by help is like what sort of protections and opportunities do they provide workers, what sort of benefits do workers get. And over here, so what could be negative about unions? Why could unions not be useful? And that might be like, think about consumers and business owners there. So like, what are drawbacks from unions if you're somebody who owns a business and your workers are trying to unionize? Why might unions be bad if you're a consumer of goods and the prices for those goods? Those are my hints for you there. And then here, what is your opinion about unions? So you've watched these videos and you've got a good idea of the situation with unions in the United States. And I'm literally just wondering what you're thinking about them. And if you can put that in a couple good sentences here, you're going to be solid. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and good luck. Have a good week and a good weekend.